we have a new video for you guys. Can't say enough the appreciation that we have for you guys and our fans. I love seeing you guys out there and coming to say hi to us. I love everyone who wears our t-shirts and it has our stickers on the back of the truck. We're in the shop right now, but right now the good old girl, her transmission is out, and the converter was sent to get looked at because Tyler believes that it is messed up. So we were at the Buck a couple weekends ago for the last one of the season until next year, and I'm hoping that we will be back next year. We're just not quite sure to the Buck. Due to it only being stock turbo, we want to make her more and give her more potential that we know she has. But we are so excited to keep racing. We are hoping the converter is back before Truck Wars. In the summer we went and it was an amazing event, and we came out on top. And I'm really excited and hoping that Tyler gets the converter back in time that we can go. We did not get to go to Rudy's because of the converter, which sucks because that was an awesome event as well. And Eric came out on top of that. Eric actually got to race at the Buck with his 6.0. He put it back to stock. And he also pulled, you'll see in the video as well. What I'm going to do in this video is kind of show off the trucks. I'm going to give you Tyler, I'm going to give you Eric, and then some of our friends who race in the Buck as well. Our friend Levi, his LB7 is looking awesome. I thought he did an amazing job last time at the Buck. Kudos to him. I'm going to roll the clip, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end.
Your point champion of 17 is on the right. Driving the one with the blue rose.
To Denny, he won overall points. Him, Tyler, and Roman were tied with points, and Denny beat Tyler, and then Denny beat Roman. So obviously Denny, Roman, Tyler. So great job on that, guys. So we had a great time at the Buck. We ran into some difficulties again with if we're cheating. Someone told the techs to tech us again, make sure, you know, at the end that we weren't cheating, which is ridiculous. You can hear him talking a little bit to Tyler, the guy who, I forget what his name was. I guess he has a performance business, but I guess he's a little butthurt that he got beat. He didn't get beat by us, but that he got beat and got out. So I don't know what he has against us. But he wanted them to make sure that we weren't cheating, which once again, we're not.
Where's Tommy at? Tell us what she looks like. I can tell you now, if I put Jeter turbos on here, I'd be sitting up there in Denny's spot.
JJ, watch out so that he can get up there.
See? rusted out, 200,000 mile turbo's been on there since day one.
I know how to make them look rusted out too.
I understand you guys are just on your job.
Yeah.
There should be a little.
Last time, yeah, they ain't doing nothing now. I had to prove it to him. Hassler was up here telling me, oh, on a 6.4 on the factory turbo, the nut's part of the wheel.
Oh, okay. So do you do everything 254 or what's that? Yeah, if you look, there's a...
Anyway, what it came down to was, I had to get another Mennonite guy up here said, hey, you want to check my truck? You can't. I had to pull it apart.
Somewhere back in.
Hey, I just took 60 turbo apart last week.
Like you can
The
see
factory turbo wheel, the nut is part of it.
No, it's actually like a simple cast.
This is, I haven't touched it somewhere, but I had to get this Mennonite guy over here. Pull his truck off and show them, and they'll go in. But they passed me. I went back to them. This time they're here running now. So, hey, you want to check it again?
Yeah, right. I always handle that out.
I got nothing to hide. The truck ran 11.2. Before I went fucking with the transmission, now I got all
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I am looking forward to more races, and I'm looking forward to next year at the Buck because it is our hometown, so I hope that we figure something out. Dave did an upgrade to his truck, which that will be the next video. Tune in for that. His setup now is pretty cool, I have to admit. I don't think Danny thinks it's cool because I'm pretty sure he stared at it for like 24 hours straight. But we're all excited to see the Booger Sugar and see how he runs and stuff. If you haven't hit that big red button yet, do so now and hit that like button. Thanks guys, have a great day. Roll the bird out.